What's up guys and welcome back. Today I found this big place with a lot of farm equipments and cars. So welcome back. Where I've been relaxing, working. So let's get starting this place out. There's a lot of things to do here today. Also this big thing here, so let's get started. There's a big farm equipment here to work on the fields. Pretty nice. Never been in a vehicle like this, but very nice. Yeah. Oh, it's very rusty. There's also some old for the horses there, you can see. So it's a pretty old house. So you can see here they have been, when there's snow outside, they can slide with this, maybe. Yeah. So how is your day? My day is good. This big thing here is crazy. A flat tire also. Also this very old vehicle, and the engine is a horse. So it's pretty crazy. And here's the tractor. MF for motherfucker. So let's get started. It's also open. Yeah. Nice one. And I can see here they're standing 1981. So it's been staying here more than 40 years. Pretty old. So it's pretty old house also. It's over there, as you can see. But let's go check down here. Oh, and this is another visitor. He also came by to check out the house. So we have been talking a lot. Oh. It's fun to see some people also finding this interesting. So he is pretty kind. And he now know that I'm Kasper Explores. He will follow my channel also. So thanks for that. Let's see if there's something in here. There's been chickens in here, maybe cows, pigs, I don't know. Oh, look, this old water here to pump out the water. And as you can see, the nature is taking over. It's growing a lot. Let's go check out the house. Where's the friendly guy? He's also exploring. So look here. Green and yellow walls. Small house. It's collapsing slowly here, as you can see. Why there's hanging a rope here? Maybe someone hanged themselves here. I don't know. can definitely not go up here, as you can see. But we can check out what's in here. Maybe an old weight here. Some old furniture still over there. I will not go up there, as you can see the tree is rotting over there. Not that good. So let's continue the house. Oh. Maybe they have some coffee ready for us, I don't know. Oh. There's also some, maybe the waterworks, I don't think so. Oh, I cannot even turn it around, I'm not strong enough. Let's go in here. Toilet in here. What's up, toilet? What are you doing? No one have been pooping on you? Oh, lots of poop. Here's the shower also. Green shower. And the bedroom here. Whoa. Look at the sign on the walls also. Very good. And the open window here. It's a big house. So yeah, maybe that guy I met here, he's staying in some places and will shock me, I don't know. I don't think so. He lives nearby the house and saw me. So he wanted to say hey. Oh, it's old. Still some coffee cups over in there, yeah. This old baby. Oh, open this, I cannot open that. This looks like some kind of little bar to storing the whiskey. Stuff like that. Damn, that lamp hanging low. But nice furniture here. Nice couches. I think we sit good in it. Check out this old television also. Whoa. Very nice. Close and open. And music down there. And then you mix it up here. Crazy. You don't see that anymore in houses. It's very, very unique thing, this old television. Included radio. Oh, so it's just me. Oh, we can make a cream here with this going around thing that sound, you know, and we can make coffee here. They have it ready. Ah, oh, also nice design in here. And shoes. In Denmark we call it gummistøvler. Yeah, try to say that, I don't think you can say it. Only if you're Danish. Damn, old coffee cans over there. What's behind here? Something hiding here? Oh, to the gas, to the stove here. This drawing room. Check all the design and colors. And a nice living room. Let me see if he's in here. I don't think he is in here. I don't know him. Diggy diggy dig. Oh, look in here. Nature is growing inside the window. So yeah, it's a very nice place with nice things. Tractors. Oh, I forgot to tell, there is also a car. A Ford. I think it was a Ford, I think so. Oh, it's raining outside. Oh. And my camera getting wet. Damn. So let's head fast to the car and hide inside. Nice little room here. Maybe for some workers. Oh, it's raining. But over there, there's the car. So yeah, here's the car. And here's our friend. There's also a tractor here, as you can see. With your eyes, maybe. I don't know how you are watching. Oh. But pretty nice car, also inside, as you can see. I don't know if we can try to focus. I cannot open the door. No. Oh, can I get over here? Maybe. I don't get stuck, I don't know. Oh. It's a pretty nice car. Like that. Oh, it's heavy. Oh. Oh, nice engine here. Very rusty. And this is very heavy, this hood. So yeah, I also trained a little today. I thought you don't see these cars anymore. Very nice and unique. Oh. So yeah, look, there is no space here. But yeah, we are doing it. So here you can look how it's so clean inside. How to walk here. It's a Ford Granda. Very old and rusty. So yeah, I think that was the place. Look, my gloves, very dirty now. That was the place. It's raining now. It's bad weather today. But yeah, we have been everywhere also. There's also a trailer and something to the farm over there. So yeah, that was the house. I hope you enjoyed as I did. Now I will continue the road and say goodbye to my friend. This has been a hard way to explore this house. So yeah, see you.